What's going on, guys? It's your boy at Fernandez and Tyrus here, bringing you guys another tutorial. This one is going to be on a high and tight haircut. He's pretty bold on the back of the head. We're gonna do our best to blend that in. I hope you guys enjoy this technique. If you have any questions, comment down below. Don't forget to share and like the video if you find it useful for you. Also follow me on Instagram, _B_Fernandez. I'll follow you right back. You could also shoot me a message there as well. I hope you guys enjoy the technique, and I will see you guys around. Alright guys, so we're gonna start by creating our first guideline. I'm gonna go a little bit above the temple peak point. As you can see, I'm flicking the wrist, not creating a hard line, so it's easier to erase at the end. I'm using the Andes T outliners here, and it's always good to have a brush or a cone in hand to get rid of the excess hair. So after creating the first guideline, now we're going to create our second guideline. We're going to use the Walls Senior Cordless in creating our second guideline. So now, with the same walls, we are going to close them to a 0. And we're going to start working on the initial guideline that we created with the T outliners. Using the corners of the blade to achieve a better blend, and also flicking on the C motion. And now we're going to open it a little bit more to a halfway position. And we're going to keep working that second guideline that we created with the half. Now with the number 1 guard on the closed position, we're gonna start creating a different guideline towards the top. Now remember, we're gonna use that C motion that you can see here, and we're gonna go on an angle. We're not gonna go on top of the ridge line of the head. We're just gonna go on the side. Now I'm going to switch back to the half guard, and we're going to work that line that we created with the number 1 guard. We're going to go first with the half guard a little bit open, not completely open, and we're going to work that halfway. Alright, so I'm not going to be doing the beard on this client, but I am going to blend the sideburn area. I'm going to start with the half, close it halfway, and then completely close. Same thing with the half guard, open, halfway, and then close. I'm going to be using my thinnest shears with a comb just to blend the top area of the crown. So now I'm just going to go towards the middle and just trim. We're going to be using a guideline. So pretty much just the tips out and then just using that same travel guideline towards the back of the head. And then we're also going to angle it a little angle towards the side, left side and the right side. Not too much to it. Now this client doesn't really have a hairline, but we're just going to clean the little hairs out with the TL liners. After that I'm going to be using the razor. With any shaving gels you guys desire. I use Tomb 45 or Elegance depending. My razor blade is the Parker. Now remember where we start with the TL line. You don't want to go with the shaver past the TL line guideline that we first created. So you're going to take it almost to it, but not completely to the initial guideline. Once you get to the guideline at the end of the haircut, you could use very lightly on a downwards motion on top of that first initial guideline, and that will help you erase that initial guideline that you did with the TL line blade. That's about it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share it if you find it useful. Appreciate it, guys. I will see you guys around.